Davidsons Homes. When you buy a Davidsons home, your home is fitted with high-quality solar panels, helping you enjoy lower energy bills. By generating your own electricity, you can reduce reliance on grid energy, protect yourself from rising energy costs, and keep more money in your pocket each month. How do your solar panels work?
Solar panels, sometimes known as solar PV, use sunlight to generate electricity. The key part of a solar panel is a thin layer of semiconducting material that absorbs sunlight and converts it to electricity. This can then be used to power electrical appliances in your home. But before it can do this, the electricity your solar panels produce needs to be converted from direct current to alternating current. This makes it safer for use in your home and usable with your appliances. You'll need an inverter to do this, which is a box that's usually set up in your loft. You'll also have a meter inside your home to show you how much electricity your solar panels are generating in real time. The sunnier it is, the more power they'll generate, so duller days mean they'll produce less electricity, and they won't work at night or if heavy snow covers them.
Eon Home. View, control and save. With Eon Home, you can effortlessly monitor your solar panels and optimize your self-generated energy. Track your solar production in real time, manage energy usage, and ensure you're making the most of your renewable power. To make the most of your self-generated solar power, it's important to use energy during the day, as nighttime consumption will rely on grid energy. Stay in control and personalize your energy consumption all in one easy-to-use app. Get the app from App Store and Google Store. Saving on your energy bills. When you buy a Davidsons home, your home comes with a wide range of solar panel options, carefully tailored to the size of your house. For example, a home fitted with 4 solar panels can save you approximately £268.75 per year on energy bills. With a smart export guarantee, SEG tariff, where excess energy is sold back to the grid, your savings could increase to £358.78 per year, and the long-term benefits are even greater. Over a 25-year period, these savings add up to £8,969.50, a fantastic financial return while reducing your carbon footprint. With a larger Davidsons home, you could benefit from 10 solar panels, maximizing your energy savings. This setup could save you an estimated £350.50 per year on your electricity bills. And by opting for a smart export guarantee tariff, your savings could soar to £796.80 per year. Over 25 years, that's a staggering £19,920, almost £20,000 back in your pocket. Davidsons homes are designed for the future, energy efficient, cost-saving, and built for modern living. With a Davidsons home, you're not just buying a house, you're investing in a smarter, more efficient future. Lower bills, greater comfort, and a sustainable way of living. It all starts here. Davidsons Homes. Built for the future. Designed for you.